It's my buddy Lawson.
Things have gone a little crazy here lately. Oh, here comes Mr. Lawson. Hi, buddy. Watch your step. You gonna come help? Hi. Yeah, I bet this is really good for carburetors, hey? At any rate, I currently have 8 machines with Walbro carburetors that require some rebuild attention. So I purchased a whole whack of Kazaki brand diaphragm kits because if I bought 10, they were pretty cheap. It's time to get some of these done. Some of these projects actually predate Shop Kat's existence, really. So we have, you've never seen this one, a Weed Eater XT600 that uses a WA226 carburetor, a Stihl FS36 trimmer using a WT160B, the Craftsman micro saw that you've seen recently with its WA19A, and John Sorey, the John Sored GT21L with its WA218. These two trimmers go way back. I actually went to pick up this one shortly after. We went to pick up some old barnwood from a really neat guy and told him, you know, where we had been, and he said, "Oh, I've got a trimmer you can have," and that was this Stihl. So it does run, but not great. Just doesn't want to stay idling, much like this saw, and actually, well, all 4 of these really just don't like to idle. So I guess it's time to get cracking. Are you such a good helper, Lawson? Huh? Are you gonna be such a good help? Why do I have a feeling you're not gonna be that much help? Hmm? Yeah. Alright. Well, I think that's as far as we're gonna go with that one. On to the next. All right, I'm gonna leave that for now. On to the next one. You're such a good helper. Hmm? Okay, hi. Half, 1 1/4. Just gotta write down here, okay? 1 1/4 turns. Low. Let's see. Let's see, hey? Half. Whoa, just half a turn. I don't think that's right. I don't think that's right. Do you think that's right? I don't think that's right. That's not very good. I know we're at a bit of elevation here, but not that much. Not that much, hey? Does that seem right to you? Does that seem too low? Yeah, I thought so. That one doesn't seem too bad at all, but then again, it's had fuel in it recently. Ooh. very recently. Don't breathe in, kitty. Kind of fascinating seeing the differences between all of these. On to the last one, my friend. Thank you. So now that they're all apart, it's really just a matter of cleaning everything. Before I get too carried away with all the cleaning, let's have a look and see what comes in these kits. So we have a little gasket like that, which I don't recognize from any of these. Oops. Have a nice new diaphragm, nice and soft. We have the larger size of needle. That's the gasket for the fuel pump, if I'm not mistaken. We get a fuel pump itself, which matches this one here. There's another gasket which matches, well, that matches the fuel pump side in some cases. One of these little guys here, which I've seen somewhere, and or this one. There's the gasket for the diaphragm. We get another fuel pump, different style of diaphragm gasket, a little plastic fuel pump, which would be equivalent to the blue one, another fuel pump gasket. That looks pretty familiar. I think that's on a bunch of these. And then for small parts, a little screen, which I don't even know where it goes, a couple of Welch plugs, the larger screen. This is the plug that if you don't have the high adjustment, it goes in there. Of the small style needle, shaft, spring, and lever. And then that little guy might be, is that equivalent to that? Nope, not at all. So not sure where that little guy goes. Seems like we have enough parts in each kit to more or less do at least the basics of what we want. Not bad for about $4 Canadian. Well, I can't say I need that, but at least the light turned off. Doesn't mean it's fixed though.